I know a lot of people know us for our academic solutions and our full qualifications, but we also offer a comprehensive end-to-end solution for our corporate clients where we help them develop their workforce and also meet their skills development objectives for their scorecard. So our services include accredited skills program, international certification courses through our vendor partners, learnerships, as well as bursary opportunities for our clients.
CTU is the leaders in the industry when it comes to certified, accredited and vendor-specific training. But we're not just a training provider. I always see CTU as being a partner when it comes to training.
We partner with our clients for the workplace experience component of our students' studies. This helps our clients create a talent pool which they can then use to recruit from in future.
So specifically for my third year, I applied to multiple bursaries since I couldn't afford for my third year. And fortunately, I was blessed with one company that came back to me, and they've been amazing to me. They even gifted me a laptop for my academic success.
Not many are blessed with an opportunity and be given a bursary. I'm just like one of the lucky ones, and it has really shaped my future.
It means so much to me. I mean, I've always had a passion for technology, and I'm very hungry for knowledge. And since I've been blessed with one, I won't take it for granted. I will always strive for the best.
For a campus operational manager, there is no difference between the students, whether we're getting them on full-time, whether we're getting them on a bursary, or whether we're getting them on a learnership. The most important part of our function is to ensure that they are successful at the end of the day. And to do that, we have different measurements of support in place, whether it's academical, whether it's personal, to support the student throughout the process in that. We also include the client into our reports to ensure that they are aware of what the progress of the student are.
My experience over the past 3 years has been nothing but good things. From the teachers caring about whether I'm keeping up with classes, from answering my questions no matter how small they may seem, the inclusion of different cultures allowing me to pray as a Muslim, even helping us towards international exams. It's something I haven't seen anywhere else.
When a student leaves CTU, we want to make sure that whatever individual goes out into the industry, they are not only certified, but they are specialists in the industry that they have chosen as their career path. And that is what CTU stands for.
When we look at the swear word, the workplace skills plan, that is a compulsory exercise that needs to be done every year by every company. CTU can assist you. We can help you with the planning and the rollout of the training. We can also look at offering CPD points, which is your Certified Professional Development points in specific industries. That's an added benefit.
So in essence, what we do is we deliver a full HR development model for our clients, which helps them meet their strategic goals and objectives while fostering talent growth.
Come to CTU, see how we can take you into the future, not as a training provider only, but as a training partner.